Welcome to Shorty Health and Fitness Corporate Wellness Solutions. Today, we will be learning key differences between self-myofascial release and assisted stretching to determine if one is more advantageous, and if so, which one is. So, what's the difference between self-myofascial release and assisted stretching? Firstly, no one that I've ever put through an assisted stretch or fascial release session has ever asked this question, because they immediately feel the difference and the benefits from the work that I've put them through.
In stage 1, subject is unable to lift up her foot without any support. With support, you can see in stage 2 and 3 she's able to. And finally, after the intervention in stage 4, she's able to fully support herself on one leg without assistance.
But to answer the question, self-myofascial release, such as lacrosse ball usage or foam rolling, can be quite effective, but it has some limitations. These limitations include the depth, or how deep you can go. It includes the success level and rate, and it also includes the long-lasting benefits, or how long can it last. Assisted myofascial release or soft tissue manipulation targets deeper adhesions, provides more precise and controlled pressure, and yields faster results, making it more ideal and preferential for those busy professionals. All right, it's time for the challenge. Today, we have seated overhead stretches. So, for these seated overhead stretches, we're going to be interlocking the fingers. We're going to be bringing our arms completely overhead. We're going to rotate to one side. We're going to lean over to one side. Don't just bend over, okay? And as we rotate over or lean over to the side, make sure you're not leaning forward or leaning backwards. You're coming straight to the side, okay? Right to the side. Make sure those arms are extended all the way up. Keep those fingers interlocked. We're going to do 10 seconds to one side, then 10 seconds to the other side. We're going to repeat 3 times. All right? Get your fingers interlaced and ready. Bring them up. 3, 2, 1, go. Make sure you're breathing in through your nose, exhaling out through your mouth. In through your nose, exhale out through your mouth. Switch to the other side. Inhale, exhale. And you can feel as you take that deep exhale, you're able to stretch a little bit more. Switch to the other side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And really extend your arms up and out. Switch to the other side. Good, we're doing fantastic. Inhale, exhale. One more set each side. Go. Inhale, exhale. Also working the obliques, not just the back and shoulders. 3, 2, switch other side. Inhale, exhale. 3, 2, 1. All right. That feels amazing. You feel that stretch in your shoulders, your obliques, your back a bit. Fantastic job with the overhead stretches. Stretches like this help loosen up the lats, the upper back, and other muscles that run along the lateral side of your body. Muscles that, when tight, often lead to back and shoulder pain. For more actionable solutions, be sure to follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram. And of course, make sure you subscribe to my website and my YouTube channel. Business owners, HR leaders, and wellness coordinators, don't wait until your employees are in pain to take action. I'm now offering exclusive on-site wellness workshops to bring these amazing techniques directly to your team. Simply DM me or click the link in my bio and reserve your spot now. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.
Let's build healthier workplaces together.